That's 2. Yeah, and I'm gonna shoot you so you can fall back, and I'm gonna keep doing it. Take a 5 from my right. Love you, Bryce. Damn it. Ricochets from hell. That's a hell of a shot.
Oh, I just got hit. Is Aaron on your team?
No. I know what he's doing though.
Yeah.
He's the one that shot at me.
I'm wondering where he's going to pop up at.
Probably top of the hill. He's probably waiting for the other objective to be active. Who's that, Camerro?
Meanwhile, the dude up the hill is trying to get a better angle on you. You know he is.
I know. I ain't stupid. He was really close to my face. He's humming them.
He's just getting a better angle. That's what he's looking for.
Uh-huh. He's probably in that compound. So let's see. Did Bryce fall back and he's trying to get behind me? Or is he crawling towards me and waiting to pop me? Because I'd be doing either one.
Bryce is sneaky, man. You gotta watch it.
I know he is, sneaky little fuck.
He's good tactfully. He's good.
Yeah.
That last engagement y'all had, I would have waited for you to run out of mid-caps because you were laying them out. And as soon as your gun said, "Tap, tap, tap," I'd have let it go.
I'm pretty fast with reloading. He could have got me though. This isn't a bad tactic though. Waste their time.
Y'all still got control of the Pentagon, so you
I know, I see it. Problem is I got a P-roll down.